I know London like every inch of London, right? So, yes, I'm working for the Daily Mail Wail. I thought you silly fool, but never mind. Oh, she's an assistant to an assistant to an assistant to an assistant. Right? I said, this is no joke. Right. I want this to be passed to your schmuck of a paper, and I want feedback. And she said, oh, I'll get the message. I take all the messages. I take all the messages. And she goes to Queen's School, and she lives in London. I said, whereabouts in London are you? She said, I'm in Clapham. I said, that used to be the pits.
I should say, I lived in the Clapham.
No, Clapham. Oh. That used to be a rotten, stinking area.
She likes him.
That used to be a rotten area, Clapham. So, there she is, I'm at the Queen's School, and I've got the most wonderful job in the Daily Mail, and I'm so clever, and I've got a degree in that. What I'm saying is, I said it's a very vapid, empty, frivolous business. Models. All this business. It's empty, vapid. I sometimes take the piss out of them.
Is it vapid or vapid?
I don't know.
As in
They're
vapes?
both, I think.
Yeah, vapes.
And they come down the, I take the piss out of them.
When I was younger, my mum I was in a nightclub, and someone came over and said, oh, I'll give you a card, and I just went home through the card, I had no interest. My mum actually phoned the card number. How weird is this? And then they said, we want your daughter, and it was all the glamour modelling.
Oh yeah.
And my mum took me. My mum actually took me for this interview.
Oh dear.
And they, I know. And I was sat there.
Scary stuff.
It was, and I was sat there. Secrets, wanting the goods and shit. And I was sat there, and they said to me, so will you do topless?
Oh,
and
how old were you?
Supposed to ask that.
17.
70. I'm not a bit young. Oh dear.
Just a little bit.
And I ticked, and it was, will you do, because I was so scared where I was, I ticked that I'd do swimwear. Oh no, I ticked topless and crossed out swimwear, and he went,
wow, this is good.
so you don't mind topless, but you won't do swimwear, and I went, oh no, I won't do
swimwear?
I won't do, and I wouldn't do it. And my mum kept pushing me to do it, and
oh, this is wrong. This is so
She kept
wrong.
pushing. She was, oh, they'll do, we're going to get
No,
you
we'll get you a puffer,
and I just said no.
Rubbish.